How you doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordanbikes, and today I've got for sale this beautiful Kawasaki Versys 1000 GT. So it's the Grand Tourer is this one. 2016 on a 66 plate. It's done 13,615 miles. And the bike's stunning. We've actually sold this bike previously and we're happy to sell it again. So you get a couple of different power modes, adjustable traction control, you get ABS, you get an adjustable front screen, which you've just seen then, digital speedo with an analog rev counter, and you get a Kawasaki gear indicator as well. In the Grand Tourer, you've got full 3-box luggage, which is very, very easy to take off. You get spotlights on the front, some Kawasaki engine protection and frame protection. It's got heated grips and some billet levers. Lovely, lovely bike of these, super comfortable. They run the Z1000 SX engine, same with the pannier as well, so easy to take them on and off. Give it a quick fire up. And there she is, looks absolutely fantastic in the grey as well, got a really nice sparkle to it. So if you're wanting this one, do be quick, we've just given it a really good service and we've MOT'd it as well. So get yourself down to Jordan Bikes or simply give us a call. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.